Hey guys, just a quick video demonstrating how to install Git on your Linux machine or any Raspberry Pi. So currently I'm connected to my Raspberry Pi through SSH, and now I'm going to and by the way, I'm currently a root user. So to change it to root user, you just have to do sudo su and it will change you to the root user. So I'm going to run this command apt update. Like, we have to update the packages first. And after the update, we just do apt install git and we give a flag yes. So it will install the git. Basically it will take some time to install the git, so let's just wait. And git is installed now. So to check if the git is installed, we can do this git -- version, and we can get the version 2.39.5. so that's all for the git installation part. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and you might subscribe to the channel.